Hey everyone, back again. Appalachian Trail, vlog number 2. We're on day number 4 here, and currently around mile marker, what do you think? Probably around mile marker 23?
Yeah, right,
I wish 50.
23 sounds right.
So nights have been getting slightly warmer. First 2 were rough. Last night was manageable. Still cold, but manageable. And it should only get warmer from here, at least for a little while, until we get up to the Smoky Mountains, but that's a couple weeks down the road. So we won't worry about that yet. And yeah, we got a big climb coming up today. It's called Blood Mountain. It's the first big climb of the Appalachian Trail. I'm pretty sure it's the highest point in Georgia. I want to say it's around 4,500 feet. Should be a good one. I'll show you some shots on the way up there. This is also the only section on the Appalachian Trail where a bear canister is required. And none of us have bear canisters, so we have to hike right through today, and we're not allowed to stop in this section. So we've got to get up to at least Neels Gap, which is around mile marker 30, so it's going to be about a 10-mile day. Here it is, start of Blood Mountain. Hey, there's another water source.
What?
Here's another water source. Ashley, you want to talk about the chocolate bar you just ate? Where'd you get it, Ashley?
Alright guys, so I got this chocolate bar. Really sketchy. It was in a box titled Trail Magic, but it was in the bathroom, in the pit toilet. And I was like, we're taking that? And
Yes.
I was like, yes. And I've eaten like 3 of them now. Worth it.
Oh, we're about halfway up this Blood Mountain, but the hardest part is still up ahead, so we're gonna keep on pushing.
Alright, so me and Rafa here are going to tell you what, or Explosion I should say. Explosion. Are here to talk about trail magic. So trail magic is basically, how do you describe it?
Trail magic is like little hints of surprises that people leave for hikers. So we came across a few of them. When we were doing a pretty lengthy hike, there was no water. When we got to a tree, somebody had dropped off 2 gallons of water right on a tree. That is trail magic. Something to keep you going, lift up your spirits.
Even
a little chocolate,
little piece of chocolate
will get you so far.
It makes your day, it really does. And we've seen a lot more than I thought.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many times.
Every day we saw one.
At least one.
2, yeah.
So
The first day we got donuts for breakfast.
yes,
Somebody gave us gloves. We were freezing. The next day, somebody picked up my jacket. We also had we met some great people last night. With a yard sale, it was Mountain Cat and Cobra. We just went to go say hi, check out their van. They gave us Chick-fil-A sauce as well. Oh my God, I had hot chocolate. Like I went to sleep full and happy.
We've also met a couple other people on the way. We're actually hiking with someone named Rob today. He's a little ahead of us. We're going to catch up with him. The other day we met an Annie. We met, who else?
Rocky gave us the donuts.
Rocky gave us the donuts.
We also had on the rocks. He did a little interview with us.
That's right. I forgot about him. So yeah, you definitely meet people out here. Like we said, we're hiking with someone today. He might not be here tomorrow, but we will see him again. So it's pretty fun.
Yeah, I'm having a great time.
Yeah. So
Today's better.
Yes. Let's keep going.
All right, this is the final climb, big one up Blood Mountain here. It's about 2-ish miles, very steep, I think 1.5 miles actually, and then it's up like well over 1,000 feet in these last 1.5 miles. So I'm gonna push to the top, then hopefully find a nice place to set up camp tonight. Oh yeah, I'm using that. Oh. I gotta look at this. That's a nice shelter for the top of a mountain. All right, right at the top of Blood Mountain is this beautiful shelter. Wow.
Sleep here.
Oh,
Come in.
beautiful up here, right?
So pretty. Oh, I wish you could stay.
Yep.
All right, guys, we made it down Blood Mountain, and we are now getting to, oh, I forgot what it's called. What is it called?
Neels Gap.
Neels. I was gonna call it Needles. So we are making it down to Neels Gap, and something that's pretty interesting at this section is that there's this tree, and there's this tree, and a lot of people hang their sneakers on it. And the two main reasons why people do that is because, one, they're quitting and they give up at this point, and you're supposed to throw your shoes over like that's your quitting. Or two, your shoes are just not working for you and they suck and you want a new pair, or you're getting a new pair and you pretty much just toss those shoes over the tree. So we're going to show you guys when we get there.
There it is. Goodbye, shoes.
Hey guys, so Trail Magic on day 5. The end of day 4, my feet were killing me. I went to a store called
Mountain Crossings.
Mountain
At
Crossing
Neels Gap.
at Neels Gap, and I ran in there and said, dude, I need you to fix my feet. And he gave me some new shoes. I got it sponsored by some people, Chelsea and Duke. Love you guys. And the next day we kind of camped around that area. The next day we went back for breakfast, some snacks, and I was looking at some trekking poles, and I didn't know their most expensive was $99. I was like, that's a little over my budget. And the guy named Just Bill, he actually hooked me up with some new trekking poles for free. Trail Angel, Trail Magic. Love you guys. Look at all this.
Back at it again, day 5. Started at Neels Gap around, already forgot the mile marker. I want to say it was like 32.3. That's my guess at least. And we got a quick day today, about 7 miles. And we're planning to take a 0 tomorrow. My dad's over in Helen, Georgia with his RV, so he said he would come pick us up and take us to the RV. So we're gonna go spend the night there tonight. First night out of the woods, gonna take some showers, clean up, rethink our gear, then hit the trail again after hanging out in Helen. So probably catch up with you guys in Helen.
well, that was our time in Helen. We only stood there for a few hours because we got there a little late. It was our, what we call our 0 day, and that's basically when you spend a day off trail and you kind of just relax and recoup and get things together. So between restocking our food supply and other things, we only got a few hours, but we've been there before, and as you can see, it's a very cute Bulgarian touristy town, and I think it's a great place. I love it, and I was happy to be back. During the summer, they have some tubing, water tubing, which I think is the best part, but it's still just a little cold for that right now. So if you ever visit Helen, make sure you go when you can go tubing, because I think it's a big part of it and it's awesome. And so the plan was to be back on trail today, so it's the next day, and unfortunately I'm dying. Okay, I won't be so dramatic, but I guess I'll tell you the whole story. Basically, I bought these shoes and they're called Zero Drop. They're ultras. And there's 0 drops. So basically what it means is that like your front of your foot and your back of your foot are like level. So it feels more like that barefoot feel. There's no like arch. Well, there's an arch. It just like it falls flat. So it feels like you're walking barefoot. And in the reviews, they tell you, they make it very obvious, like you're either gonna love them or hate them. Like some people love them and swear by them, and others end up having problems. And after reading the reviews, I was like, I'm not gonna be the one with the problem, no big deal. But boy, was I wrong. Both my Achilles are destroyed. They hurt so bad when I try to walk. So today when we went to go, sorry for the background noise. There's a lot of road noise here, I apologize. But so when I tried to hike this morning, we got dropped off at 7 a.m. We were gonna hike. I couldn't do it. I couldn't go. So we decided to take another 0. I went and bought new shoes in town, and they're Merles. So, and they have a little better, they lift my foot a little higher. So I'm hoping that will help. And yeah, I also bought a knee brace because my knee has been killing me. So far this trail has been putting a wear on my body, but I heard it's just getting used to, taking time. You know, your body's not used to it, and like you should give it a little more time, take it easy. Maybe we've been pushing a little too hard. Not sure, but we're gonna try to pick up where we were left off tomorrow and see what happens. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you liked following along. Don't forget to subscribe. I haven't said that in a while. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.